Hello YouTube family and friends, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I am getting ready to light an incense so I can get ready to start cleaning my kitchen. So I'm doing a voiceover once again because I recorded this video when I did my last vlog, and I mentioned to you I was doing a voiceover because my grandkids were there, and they was having fun and playing, and they had the TV up, and then they had the game playing, and so I didn't want to be copyrighted, so that's why I'm doing a voiceover on this part of the video also. So I'm sharing with you this juice that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I don't know, I purchased this one because it was like the white grape peach and it looked good. But it said healthy balance. I shouldn't have picked it up anyways. But I purchased that one and I purchased the cranberry grape. And did not pay attention that they both were diet. And I do not drink anything diet. I'm sorry. That's just my preference. But I just said I'll keep it for the kids. And, because it don't have as much sugar. Okay, so next I purchased this awesome all-purpose cleaning spray from the Dollar Tree, $1.25 tree. And I think that they are comparing that to the Method all-purpose cleaning spray. And so I believe that it'll work the same because the regular awesome spray works really good. I mean, it picks up any kind of crud and it takes out stains in your clothes. It works just like the spray and wash if you spray it on your clothes and stuff like that. So, but I won't be spraying this pink spray on clothes or anything like that. I don't use it on my clothes, but I have tried it, But yeah, I have tried it, the regular. Awesome. Well, okay, y'all, I'm getting ready to start cleaning this kitchen. I hope that you all enjoy, and I hope that this is motivating to somebody. So, let's get started.